Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright y'all, so this is a true unboxing. If you watched my last Come With Me when I was everywhere, then you know what this is. So let's open this together. Girl, I got the box is all bent up and my address is everywhere. So let's unbox this together. I could have bought this in store, but I was trying to be good that day and not buy anything. Because, you know, I called myself on a no-buy. Girl, that didn't last. I don't even think it lasts 24 hours. Like, for real. So let's take all that out. Okay. Good, a box. So if you watch that, you know what this is. This is how it came. Let's throw this on the floor. So this is, girl, this tape is for real. Okay. This is from Steve Madden. Y'all, this bag is so cute. It is so cute, y'all. Look at this. This is called the Camo. This is called the Camo Clutch. Y'all, look at this. It even goes in the little black and green I got on today. Look at this. Y'all, this bag was so stunning when I saw it in the mall, y'all. So it has gold accessories. You just push this up right here, and that's how you open it. Y'all, this bag is sick. So it does come with a crossbody strap. It is detachable and adjustable. Then it comes with this little shoulder strap, or you can just use it like for decoration. That's how I saw it online. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. It has one little zip pocket in the back. And it just has Steve Madden right there. And that's all to the bag. Y'all, this bag is so cute. I'm talking about, I love it. I love it. Let's put that one back in. Let me show you. I might have to detach it. Okay. Okay, so you can just carry it like that. Of course, I have to cut these zip ties off, and it'll lay a little bit better. But y'all, you can't tell me this ain't cute. This is so cute. And to me, this is a neutral. Yes. I love it. I absolutely love this. It's no pocket on the back or anything. And of course, you know, your phone will fit. It might take up almost all of the space, but your phone will fit in here. Let me step back and get my phone. Okay, so y'all know I'm team Android. You still have plenty of room. You know, you can get your wallet, probably not a thick wallet, but you know, your card case, some lotion, your lip gloss, your essentials, your keys. You can get all of that in here with no problem. Put that in my pocket. Y'all, let me take this off. The strap is even come on. Here's the strap. Look at that. This is so cute. I don't think I'll ever carry this strap. I think that's a little overkill. If anything, I'll just put another gold crossbody strap on. I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize, you guys. But like I was saying, I think that the strap is a little overkill. If anything, I will put a gold, one of my gold crossbody straps on here. Look at that. Look at that. Should I carry this today? I mean, I have on black and green, and that was so not planned. This is everything. I love it. I love it. I want to say I paid $40 something for this. It retails for $79. There you go. But I want to say I paid like $40 something. I love this. I love this. I don't have any camo print bags. Only camo that I have, I do have a jacket and I have 2 pair of pants. Yeah. But I think wearing it all together will be overkill. But I love this. Like today. You know what I'm saying? Green pants and a black shirt. Yes, sis. I love it. So this was my quick little unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what y'all think of this. Like, I think that this is so stinking cute. I love you guys so very much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.